Hello, and what the heck is up, my Atlanteans? For today's video, I will be doing something really exciting. As you have probably seen in my birthday haul, my boyfriend got me this MyScene Fab Faces Kennedy doll. I'm obsessed with her. I love her so much. Thing is that she's like kinda dirty. So in today's video, I am going to be cleaning up and kind of restyling this MyScene Fab Faces Kennedy. Come follow me for the ride. Let's get started. Alrighty, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is strip her down. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna strip her down and I'm going to remove her tiara here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, you guys, so upon removing her outfit, we have found some mold, and this is the first time I've ever encountered mold on a doll. So what we're going to do is we are going to rub her down right now with some Lysol wipes if I can find any, and then we're gonna give her a nice bath.
So as you can see, I'm starting off with some Lysol cleaner. I decided to start off with that to like kind of scrub away the like dirt and grime off of her first before I wipe her. It was a smart choice. I feel like if I wiped and then scrubbed, first there'd be suds everywhere and it would kind of like defeat the purpose. So yeah, and also with the buttons on the back of her, I had to be like super careful I didn't like bust anything. And I found whatever antiseptic or like cleaning wipes I had on hand, and I just used that on her body. Of course, I went like super extra thorough on the parts that had the mold or like the mold spores on, which were like mainly her legs. And for her clothes, obviously I had to clean that shit up. So I kind of just put it in a Tupperware, made it 1 part water, 1 part hydrogen peroxide, and I just shake that shit up.
Okay, and now I am going to wash her hair and probably her body with just like a random hand soap. It's gonna be a quick one. We're gonna do this real quick. Next, we're gonna go in with some mane and tail conditioner, and I'm just going to rub that into her hair, and we're going to leave that in for a while. And that should help us take out some of these tangles, because girl is a tangle. Okay, so while Kennedy is soaking up the conditioner, let's take a look at the clothes. Let's see how that's going. Nasty. So we're gonna leave that in for a little bit more. I'm gonna leave her in for like maybe 30 minutes, and then I am going to brush her tangles out, and then we're gonna rewash her, and then we're gonna boil her. She's gonna be so beautiful. Her head doesn't turn, sorry, but she's gonna look so beautiful at the end. I'm so excited. Okay, so I let her rest for like 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna take a little comb and I'm gonna comb through her hair, and I'm gonna try to take out all of the little, what are they called? Little knots and twists and ties. So here she is after being completely brushed out. You can see all of the like knots and stuff have been practically completely taken off. Now I'm going to grab some hot boiling water and I'm going to dip her in there. Also, in the meantime, I just wanted to show you guys how I'm drying her clothes. They're kind of just on a tea towel right now. I just got them out of the thing. They're already like kind of drying up already. I'm probably gonna leave it until the next day when her hair is dry, and these will all be dry, and then I'll put them all together. So I got my hot boiling water, and now we are going to carefully dip her head into here. I don't want to like get too deep into her head because I know there's like all of those little mechanisms and stuff. So I don't want to do anything too crazy. I'm gonna be super careful. I don't want to dunk her entire head in. I'm just gonna do this for a while. Alright, so this is what she looks like after 3 boils. Her hair is pretty good. I think I'm going to let her dry and then I'm either gonna boil her again or I might take a straightener to it. I'm too scared. Well, I'm always like scared to use a straightener, so I'm probably just gonna boil her one more time. But it's already looking really good. I'm gonna leave her like that for a while. Her clothes are already dry. Like I can pretty much already put that onto her. That's insane. Okay, well, love that. Gonna leave that for a while and we'll come back when I go to boil her again.
And as you can see, I most certainly did come back to boil her a 4th time. And it worked really good.
So this is what she looks like after the next day. Of course, she, like when I woke up, I like had to shake her like greasiness out, so, like greasiness out, like, you know. She looks really great. I love how she turned out. As you can see, she has some hairs coming up in front. It's because I'm gonna use those to style her. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and style her. Also, all of her clothes are like completely dry now, so I'm going to leave that. Also, I forgot to mention this is what I'm doing with her tiara, though I don't think I'm gonna be putting that on ASAP, but her clothes for sure. So yeah, I'm just gonna style her and then I'm going to dress her up and we're gonna get our final look at her.
To style the bitch up, what I did first was I put away the hairs that I didn't want like part of the hairstyle, because I kind of just wanted to do like the side part behind the ear kind of look. So what I did was I separated the tendrils that I wanted to style and I sprayed it with some like water, fabric softener water, and I used that to like keep it straight or to kind of keep it like controlled. And that's what I did for her front tendrils, and then I tied it to the back to kind of make it look like this. And it's kind of a classic style, so I couldn't really go wrong with it, I think, in my opinion. I don't know. Also, it's like part of her original like styling, so I thought it fit her. I thought it'd be nice. So here was this hot mess before.
And after. Here is MyScene Fab Faces Kennedy after I've completely dressed her up. I think the straight hair was a really good choice on my part. I think that like adds to this style that she's going for. I think it's so campy that she came with a little tiara, so I kept that on her. I put her in an entire second outfit, and I ripped off the shoes from my Barbie Extra doll, and they fit perfectly because obviously this is just like a standard Barbie body, and it fits her perfect, and it fits the outfit like pretty well. It's temporary until I could get some MyScene shoes, but in the meantime I think she looks amazing and I love her so much. I like this method because you can see
that like it doesn't like mess with the strings that are inside of her, so she still works completely or as well as she does. While working on her, I found out, I was like, what is that smell? Turns out it's because she came from like a home of like smokers, so like that stench kind of like stays on her, but like it's not like too noticeable. It's because like I was working so close to her, but she's really exciting and I love her a lot, and I think it's so funny. I think it's so campy. Like this whole doll is just amazing. Oh,
alrighty, y'all, so that is everything for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want. Hit me up on Instagram at Atlantix.jpg. Hit me up on TikTok at Atlantix.mov. And I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye.